Welcome to Easy English with me. Learn simple English for daily life step by step. Hello everyone. Welcome to Easy English with me. Today, we are going to learn fruits and vegetables in English. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your vocabulary, this lesson will help you learn many useful words that native speakers use every day. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and try to pronounce each word clearly. By the end of this lesson, you'll know the names of many common and advanced fruits and vegetables in English. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, let's learn some fruits. Repeat after me. Apple. Apple. Banana. Bananas are rich in potassium. Say it with me. Orange. Orange. Strawberry. Strawberry. Watermelon. Watermelon is refreshing on a hot day. Mango. Mangoes are sweet and delicious. Mango. Pineapple. Pineapple. Grapes. Say it with me. Grapes. Lemon. Lemons are sour. Lemon. Peach. Repeat after me. Peach. Cherry. Cherry. Say it with me. Kiwi. Kiwi contains a lot of vitamin C. Pear. Pears are often added to fruit salads and desserts. Plum. Plum. Repeat after me. Plum. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Papaya is popular in tropical breakfasts and smoothies. Papaya. Blueberry. Blueberry. Raspberry. Say it with me. Raspberry. Blackberry. Blackberries are rich in fiber. Avocado. Avocados contain healthy fats. Coconut. Say it with me. Coconut. Figs are naturally sweet. Fig. Fig. Apricot. Apricot. Apricots are small and tasty. Dragon fruit. Repeat after me. Dragon fruit. Passion fruit. Passion fruit has a strong tropical flavor. Guava contains more vitamin C than many citrus fruits. Guava. Lychee. Lychees are popular in many Asian countries. Date. Say it with me. Date. Tangerine. Tangerines are easy to peel. Tangerine. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is often enjoyed at breakfast. Grapefruit. Great job! Now let's move on to vegetables. Tomato. Tomato. Say it with me. Potato. Potato. Carrot. Carrot. Say it with me. Carrot. Cucumbers are commonly added to salads. Cucumber. Onion. Say it with me. Onion. Garlic. Garlic is famous for its strong aroma and flavor. Lettuce. Lettuce. Say it with me. Lettuce. Broccoli is considered one of the healthiest vegetables. Broccoli. Spinach. Spinach contains iron. Spinach. Eggplant. Repeat after me. Eggplant. Pepper. Pepper. Say it with me. Pepper. Corn. Corn. Zucchini. Zucchini is commonly used in healthy meals. Zucchini. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Say it with me. Cabbage. Cabbage. Pumpkin. Repeat after me. Pumpkin. Peas. Peas. Peas are small but nutritious. Green beans. Say it with me. Green beans. Celery. Celery. Radish. Radishes have a slightly spicy taste. Radish. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Leek. Leeks are often used in soups. Leek. Say it with me. Beetroot. Beetroot. asparagus, asparagus. Artichoke, artichoke. Brussels sprouts. Repeat after me. Brussels sprouts. Kale is considered a superfood. Kale, kale. Mushroom, mushroom. Say it with me. Chili pepper, chili pepper. Turnip, turnip. Excellent work! Today, you learned many fruits and vegetables in English. Building a strong vocabulary is one of the best ways to improve your English. And now you know dozens of useful words that you can use in everyday conversations. But we're not finished yet. In Part 2, you'll learn useful adjectives to describe fruits and vegetables, important verbs related to food, and you'll test your knowledge with a fun quiz. So make sure you watch Part 2 to continue learning with me. Thank you for watching Easy English with me. See you in Part 2. Bye, everyone!